shadow of the pioneer must fall frequently here among these machines developed from the one he built back in 1889. He and 2 helpers could produce only 20 rods a day with his, but this man, with 1 helper, produces 2,300 rods in a day. Peter Sommer worked a 16-hour day, and it took all he earned in a day to buy himself a pair of boots. This man earns enough in an 8-hour day to buy several pairs of shoes. And he has 8 hours left. 8 good hours of free time in which to enjoy living. And he and other men like him and their families can really enjoy living more than the peoples of any other country in the world, because the standard of living here in America is higher by far than that of any other country in the world. Today, thousands of items that Peter Sommer and his neighbors would have called luxuries are so plentiful that we think of them as necessities. And these thousands of items can be bought at a price that everybody can pay. Why? Because American men and the machines that are products of their inventive minds produce more in less time than workers in any other country in the world. The price is lower. Each man can buy more. Now, that's a fundamental principle of American enterprise. Make more, make it better, make it cheaper. More people will buy. So every farmer could have it. That was the dream of the pioneer. Make more of it, he said. Make it better. And that is the dream of those who walk in his shadow. The kind of dream, and the only kind of dream, that will sustain this country, come what may.